here in Southeast Oregon on old Highway 30, southbound, heading towards Reno. And I was actually making pretty good time. And then look what I came across. It's a cattle drive. It's that time of year. When I worked for Honeywell Ranch, they did theirs the first weekend in November. And it was bigger than this. This might not actually be a real cattle drive. They might just be doing a roundup and switching pastures or something. But what is today? September 14th, 2011. Yep, I've been behind this pretty much at an idle for about 15 minutes now, with no end in sight. Got this trailer in front of me blocking. If I can get a better shot of the livestock up there for... Yeah, I will. I don't know if you can see them moving or not up there. Turn it off and come back. See them cows up there? Cowboy riding behind them. Sometimes I can't see stuff on the screen, but it shows up on the computer. The screen I get to look at is not very big on this FlipShare. Looks like we might have an end in sight. I think they're just taking them down the hill here. But 22 minutes and counting. I've been idling behind this cattle drive. Try to get one more shot before it's done. Can't believe nobody's pulled up behind me yet. It's a pretty desolate road. That old barn there. It's just a known rule on the ranches. You never smoke in the hay barn. Ever. I think that's a reason a lot of the cowboys and stuff dipped and chewed, and still do. Never smoke in the hay barn. Too much potential for disaster. And that's the only barn I've ever seen that's ever had it posted like that. And I think I was terribly wrong. I think I might be behind this cattle drive for a long time. It's still going down the road. I thought they were turning off where that barn is that says no smoking. But they're still going. So my day's shot. I was hoping to get to Reno at a decent hour. I got to deliver in Henderson, Nevada tomorrow. But yeah, this is looking like there's no end in sight. But that's trucking. If I can ever get myself in the middle of the herd or real close here, I'll get a real good clip. It's not looking like I'm going to get to, though. But maybe if you're lucky, I'll get a good shot. Well, been behind the cattle drive for 37 minutes now, with no end in sight. Someone finally pulled up behind me and they're getting all pissed off and impatient. Really nothing you can do about it. And them poor guys up there are trying to keep, not only drive them cows, but keep them from wrecking the cars that are oncoming traffic. 2 ranches I worked. I mainly did maintenance, but I never really, look at this asshole. That's not the guy that's behind me either. It's the guy that came up behind him. But anyways, what little bit of cattle work I did, I wasn't very good at it. But the biggest pain in the butt was when you're in a situation like these guys are in and you're out there on the highway trying to push them things and keep them from getting hit by cars and keeping the cars from hitting them. And see, this idiot that passed me, I know what's happening right now. He's spooking the cows because he flew up on them. I hope he gets charged by one of them. I don't know if I'm in open range or not, but if I'm in open range and one destroys his car, he's at fault. If it's open range, but I don't know if I'm on open range or not. I never saw a sign posted. Look at that idiot. He's trying to push his way through the herd. Are you kidding me? I hope some of you cowboys see this video and not just my normal followers, because you're going to know what I'm talking about right now. What a bunch of crap. Look at that guy. I'll be back with more. This is getting interesting. Well, the people that were behind me decided to follow suit and press their luck. I hope this don't last much longer. 41 minutes and counting. I haven't gone very far. Looks like there's an end in sight. The roadblock told me to go on around, and the cowboys are waving me forward, so looks like they're gonna move some cows for us. 48 minutes later.
Now they can wave us up and can't get them off the road.
One last shot as I creep up on them. And then it's going to be back to trucking. 49 minutes later, still behind them. This has been the longest I've ever been stuck behind a herd.
Yeah, I don't think those cows know what they're doing.
No. I hear they're getting guided. 1 minute.